Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can delete your Gmail account permanently. So then open a browser on your PC, then open a new tab and on the search bar type in myaccount.google.com and press enter. Now here you need to get logged in into your account, so click on go to Google account. You need to get signed in into your account. So type in the email address that you want to delete permanently. Type in the email address, click on next, type in the password, click on next. You will be directed to your Google account homepage. Here you need to click on data and personalization from the side menu. Click on data and personalization. You need to scroll down and check for download, delete or make a plan for your data. Inside that, you will see the option of delete a service or your account. You click on this option. Now here you will get few options of what you want to delete on your Google account. Either you want to delete your Google service, your account, your download data or make a plan for your account. Here you click on delete your account option. Then for that you need to type in your password. Then click on next. You need to read this data that has been provided to you very carefully before you delete your account. You can see here all this content will be deleted. All the details that you have in your account, that is the details regarding your Gmail, your YouTube, calendar, contacts and every other Google related apps and services will get permanently deleted. So if you are sure that you want to delete your account, you need to click on these two checkbox. You can see here, yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. You just then click on delete account and with that your account has been deleted. Hope you have learned how you can delete your Google account permanently. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.